How to gift a Snapchat Plus subscription on Android. This tutorial shows you how to send a Snapchat Plus subscription as a gift to someone on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon at the top left. From there, tap on the Settings and Snapchat Plus banner or the star icon to open the Snapchat Plus page. At this point, scroll down until you see the Gift Snapchat Plus option. After that, tap on Gift Snapchat Plus. From there, search for the friend you want to gift the subscription to and tap on their name. In the next step, select the subscription plan and tap on Gift to proceed to the payment screen. Following this, confirm your payment details and tap on Subscribe to complete the purchase. From here, once the payment is confirmed, your friend will receive a notification letting them know they have been gifted a Snapchat Plus subscription. At this stage, keep in mind that the gift is non-refundable once purchased, so make sure you have selected the right friend and the correct plan before confirming. Finally, go back to your profile and you will see a confirmation that the Snapchat Plus gift has been sent successfully. And that's it. If this guide helped you gift a Snapchat Plus subscription, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.